Happiness is not something we chase. It's something we create from within. When we focus on gratitude and joy, we shift our mindset to appreciate life, attract positivity, and embrace every moment with a full heart. These powerful affirmations will help you cultivate happiness, practice gratitude, and develop a joyful mindset. Repeat them daily and watch as joy, peace, and contentment fill your life. Take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin. I choose happiness every day. I am grateful for the beautiful life I have. I attract joy, peace, and positivity. Happiness flows effortlessly into my life. I radiate love, happiness, and gratitude. Every day is a new opportunity for joy. I am grateful for every blessing, big and small. I embrace happiness in every moment. I wake up with gratitude and excitement for the day. My life is full of reasons to smile. I focus on what brings me joy. I appreciate the beauty in everyday moments. I am surrounded by happiness and love. I am worthy of a joyful and fulfilling life. Gratitude fills my heart and attracts more abundance. I create my own happiness. I find joy in the simplest things. My happiness comes from within. I am grateful for my health, my loved ones, and my life. I choose to see the good in every situation. I welcome happiness and let go of negativity. I have a grateful heart and a joyful spirit. I focus on the positive and let go of worries. Happiness is my natural state. I am grateful for the lessons life teaches me. I attract people and experiences that bring me joy. My life is filled with love, laughter, and adventure. I appreciate everything I have in my life. I allow myself to fully enjoy every moment. I am happy, peaceful, and full of gratitude. I wake up feeling grateful and excited for the day ahead. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth. I am grateful for the love and kindness in my life. I radiate joy and inspire others to do the same. I am open to receiving all the happiness the universe offers. I choose to focus on the good in my life. I am thankful for another beautiful day. I am constantly attracting happiness and abundance. I am deeply grateful for everything I have and will have. I see the world through the lens of gratitude and joy. I am grateful for the endless possibilities in my life. I let go of stress and embrace happiness. I am surrounded by love and positivity. I am thankful for the gift of today. I express gratitude for all the good things in my life. Happiness is a choice, and I choose it every day. I appreciate my journey and trust where life is taking me. I find joy in giving and receiving love. I am grateful for all the little things that make life special. I am at peace with myself and my life. I attract more things to be grateful for every day. I choose to be happy no matter what happens. I focus on the things that make me smile. I am grateful for every experience that shapes me. I appreciate the beauty of nature and the world around me. I find happiness in being present and mindful. I am grateful for the love and support in my life. I embrace each day with a heart full of joy. I see life as a wonderful adventure. My life is filled with endless blessings. I am thankful for my mind, body, and soul. I celebrate life and all the joy it brings. I choose to focus on what truly matters. I am constantly surrounded by love and laughter. I welcome each moment with gratitude and happiness. My heart is open to joy and positive energy. I am thankful for all that I have and all that is coming. I attract good things because I am grateful for them. I appreciate my journey and every step along the way. I am grateful for my ability to grow and learn. I let go of what doesn't serve me and embrace happiness. I I choose to live with an open heart and a positive mindset. I am grateful for my dreams and the courage to pursue them. I radiate positivity and attract happiness effortlessly. I am thankful for the lessons I've learned. I find happiness in making others smile. I embrace the present moment with joy and appreciation. I focus on the positive and let go of the negative. I am grateful for the peace that fills my soul. I see every day as a new opportunity for happiness. I am thankful for the love and kindness I receive. I celebrate my progress and growth. I welcome laughter and joy into my life. My gratitude multiplies my happiness. I appreciate the gift of another day. I am grateful for the opportunities that come my way. I attract joy by being grateful for what I have. I choose to find joy in every moment. I give thanks for all the love and abundance in my life. I am thankful for my inner strength and resilience. My happiness is contagious and spreads to those around me. I find peace in counting my blessings. I am grateful for the challenges that make me stronger. Every breath I take fills me with gratitude and happiness. I cherish every moment with my loved ones. I attract happiness, love, and positivity into my life. I find joy in the journey, not just the destination. I appreciate the kindness and generosity in the world. I am deeply thankful for the love in my heart. I celebrate the progress I make every day. My happiness is a priority, and I nurture it daily. I welcome abundance and joy into my life with open arms. I appreciate every opportunity to experience joy. I am thankful for my passions and creativity. I feel happy, safe, and content in the present moment. I choose to see life's beauty in all its forms. I let go of worry and embrace joy. I celebrate the small victories and milestones in life. My happiness is a reflection of my grateful heart. I am thankful for the love that surrounds me. I appreciate the experiences that make life meaningful. I find joy in every new day. I choose to laugh more and stress less. I am grateful for my ability to spread kindness and joy. My heart is full of gratitude for the wonderful people in my life. I embrace happiness and gratitude as my daily practice. I find beauty in simple moments. I express appreciation for all the good in my life. I welcome every day with an open heart and a happy spirit. I am grateful for the love, laughter, and abundance in my life. I choose to make happiness a daily habit. I let gratitude guide my thoughts and actions. I am blessed with more than enough to be happy. I am grateful for the peace and joy within me. I attract happiness because I radiate happiness. My joy increases as I focus on what I'm grateful for. I appreciate the love I give and receive. I am deeply content with my life. I celebrate every moment as a gift. I find joy in every experience, big or small. Happiness starts with gratitude. When you choose to appreciate life, you invite more joy, peace, and abundance into your world. Repeat these affirmations daily, and let happiness become your natural state. If this video brought joy to your heart, like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. You deserve a life full of happiness and gratitude.